Hi, this is János, it's Riverd Audio, and I have something really fantastic, really special to share with you. And of course, those of you who have been watching my little channel, you know that I spend a lot of time about giving you advice, information, how to help you with modifying your loudspeakers, building your loudspeakers, or just choosing loudspeakers that fit your room, fit your system, fit your taste. And there's like lots of different levels, like how far you are willing to go on on the audio journey. And there's Eduard Brockman, who went all the way. And I'm really glad to announce also in this channel that he started his own YouTube channel to share his journey, that he has built a clone of my Voice of Lancelot speakers, and he is sharing how he did it, and he has lots of sound samples that he posted with it. So let me just show it. So that's Eduard's YouTube channel, and that video there, right there, can I show it without dropping my notebook? Yeah, that's the one. If you click on that one, that's where he shares how he built his speakers, and it's he's responding to Alan's comments. Actually, he made this video as a comment to Alan's question of how he did it, and about his amplifier. It's just absolutely wonderful. And those of you who have been following my journey with my Voice of Lancelot speakers, and you are wondering how would they sound in your room, or is it worth it to build them, or what can you expect with them? I think Edward's account here, his recount of his story, of his journey, is just absolutely invaluable, because you are getting a second opinion. That if you want to build something like that, first of all, what is it that you can expect uh, sound quality wise, and second, what sort of mastery you do need to have with loudspeaker building skills, system designing skills, where you need to be in your audio journey to take full advantage of it. And as you will see, Edward is really uh, a very high level audiophile. I would say that he is at that level when he is fully competent about designing his own gear and building them. So really, the Voice of Lancelot is like a master project. When you are like, it's kind of like when you are a pro driver, that's the Voice of Lancelot for you. And the Le Petit is when you are taking your driving lessons. So the Le Petit project that I have been going through for the past month or 2 months now, that's for those of you who are in that stage of your audio life and you are getting familiar with the entire concept of systems building and loudspeaker designing. And the Voice of Lancelot is the extreme far right end of the journey when you have a very high skill level. And Edward's journey is really amazing. He's sharing really fantastic stuff with us, and if we scroll down, he has many videos already with sound samples. I really warmly, highly recommend to listen to them, and also to check out his video on how he did it and what he thinks about them. So I think this is it for today, because this is something very important, and thank you, Eduard, for just creating a channel just for this purpose, to share with us all the hard work you have done and all your results. And I think this is what audio community is about, and I'm just tremendously overjoyed to see this happen. that that good things come to people's lives, and this is something really phenomenal. And you will see Eduard's video is absolutely fantastic. His overview and the advice he's giving is really worth to watch it. It's a 22 minutes long video, and you should watch every single minute of it, and it will be probably one of the best YouTube videos you'll ever see on the subject of loudspeakers and systems building. Thank you, Eduard. Huge thumbs up for your summary, for your overview, and your fantastic work. And just a few more words, because I've been listening to his sound samples, and I think they are just on the far right of all the sound samples that you can find on YouTube, and it's really clear from them that this is a system that is not fighting the room, that is not something very artificial sounding, but something that sounds so natural, so organic, that it's really all about the music. So 2 thumbs up. Bye bye.